Hello again, friends. You must have already seen my canned salmon video. Now moving on to the second healthiest canned food you can eat, wild sardines. And when you're buying wild sardines, make sure it's an extra virgin olive oil with no other added ingredients, preservatives or chemicals. Just sardines, and you can get it in water or olive oil. I do not recommend the wild sardines in soybean oil for health reasons. And today we're going to add very simple ingredients. This is a no-cook canned sardine recipe. So let me show you how I make my canned sardine in less than 5 minutes. Next, I'll prep the ingredients, and to make it appealing and appetizing, I usually chop everything very fine. No large chunks here. It makes for a better eating experience. So I'll chop 1/4 of a large onion. That's that. Peel the cucumber, small cucumber. This is an English cucumber, as we say in Trinidad, cucumber. And next I'll chop it small. Chop it as small or as large as you like. We like it small and neat. You don't want to be eating any chunky veggies. You can remove the seeds if you wish. Scallion. I love scallion. And a tomato. Again, we only have cherry tomato today. I went to the supermarket to get tomatoes yesterday, and I saw that it was $2.99 a pound. I went to get the tomato that was cheaper. By the time I went to that aisle, I totally forgot what I was looking for, because my husband was telling me to look for avocados, so I totally forgot. So we have to use these, which is a little more work, but still delicious. And that's it. One last. You can also use that hot pepper, but we have a guess, as I said in my last video, we're not going to use any hot pepper. And you can chop this or grate this. I like chopping my garlic in these recipes. You could use 1 to 2 more garlic if you wish. And that's it. Well, I'll just add a little bit of this bell pepper as well. Not the whole thing. So it's already been washed. Just going to take a little side of it. Should be equal balance of ingredients and sardine. You don't want more vegetables than sardine. So I don't know if I'm going to use 1 or 2 cans yet. We'll see. And that's it. Prep is done. Now we're just going to put it in the bowl and mix it up, and breakfast is ready. I'll just scoop it up, drop it in, scoop it up, and drop it in. That's it. Next we'll open the sardine I'm going to use this one. Wash the can. After you rinse the can, open it. Nice olive oil. Okay, I'll do this off camera. I don't want to spill it. Let me drain some of the olive oil so you don't make a mess. Next, pour the what am I doing here? Next I'll add the sardines to the veggies, and that looks like too many veggies for one can, so I'm going to open up another can. This one is in water. I'm going to drain out the water. Be very careful when you're opening the can, you don't want to cut your hands. And just pour the sardine into the bowl. And some people remove the insides, but this one is clean, so that's fine. And this is my favorite thing here, the bone. Yummy. So now I'll just mash to combine, taste and add for salt, and then we're done. Delicious sardine with veggies. And if this did not have olive oil in it, you can certainly add a little bit of olive oil on top. A healthy and nutritious breakfast. You can eat this with fried bake, or bread, any type of roti, rice and dal, or crackers. In Trinidad we eat Crick's crackers for a very quick meal. That's it. We're done. Hope you enjoyed this. Please come back and leave your feedback below. Finish off with some salt and a touch of black pepper. What I really enjoy in this is hot pepper. It really adds a kick. It makes it exciting. So I'm gonna get my fried bake ready and we'll eat. It was almost 10 a.m. so I served my guests the sardine and salmon with tomatoes with a toasted bagel with butter. I'll start making the onion fried bakes, which only takes about 30 minutes, so stay tuned. That recipe is coming up next. Until next time, stay safe, be well, cook, share and love. Bye bye.